Wolf, we've gotten the only TV interview so far with the maker of these ads. He is a young guy heading a group called Generation Opportunity, but there are likely more powerful players behind these very controversial videos that have drawn the wrath of the White House. The president was fired up over an attack on his health care law.
Some of the Tea Party's biggest donors, some of the wealthiest men in America, are funding a cynical ad campaign trying to convince young people not to buy health care at all.
Here's what he's apparently talking about.
Take your pants off.
2 internet ads depicting young Obamacare customers at the doctor's office for exams. In this one, called The Glove, a young guy doesn't see a rectal exam from a creepy Uncle Sam coming. In another, an examiner gets a young woman into stirrups.
Okay, let's have a look.
Then slips out, leaving the woman at the mercy of creepy Uncle Sam. Each ad ends with billboards saying, "Don't let the government play doctor. Opt out of Obamacare." The videos have gone viral. Now, CNN's gotten the first TV interview with the maker of the ads, a group called Generation Opportunity. I spoke with its president, Evan Feinberg. Many call these creepy and scary. Senator Patty Murray calls these deplorable and sexist. What's your response?
Well, frankly, Obamacare is creepy and scary for my generation.
Feinberg also says the health exchanges, where people will go to buy private policies under Obamacare, will get too much of customers' private data.
That information is going to span from private information such as tax information and personal financial information, but it's going to also be health status pieces of information, such as whether or not I'm sexually active.
Senior administration officials have told CNN that the exchanges will get some financial information, but not your medical history, except your age and whether you smoke. Feinberg says, counter to President Obama's remark, Generation Opportunity's not encouraging young people not to buy any health insurance. But there's also controversy over who's backing these ads.
These are billionaires several times over.
The president implies, and Democratic Senator Patty Murray says flat out, that it's the Koch brothers, Charles and David Koch, strongly conservative, mysterious billionaires who are behind the ads. Tax records show that the ad's producer, Generation Opportunity, got about $5 million from a group called Freedom Partners between late 2011 and late 2012. We've also found that 3 out of the 5 directors of Freedom Partners are current or former executives of the Kochs firm. When asked if Koch has a lot of influence over them, an official of Freedom Partners said its directors have expertise in different areas and they rely on that expertise. Koch Industries issued a statement saying Freedom Partners operates independently of Koch Industries. So we pressed Feinberg. Is the money for your group coming directly or indirectly from the Koch brothers, yes or no?
Well, we have a variety of donors, and we protect their confidentiality. They're, of course, free to talk about their donations to us anytime. But as you know, in an era where the IRS is targeting opponents of the administration all the time, I can understand why some of our donors want to keep their information confidential.
The total money spent on the ads is about $750,000, and Generation Opportunity is getting bang for its buck. So far, the videos have gotten over 3 million hits on the web in about a week.